Experience sheer elegance with a historic feel at 302 South Fawn Street in Washington Square. Take a stroll down to the Italian Market, Reading Terminal, Washington Square Park, attractions on Broad Street, and so much more. This beautifully crafted renovation features multiple brick fireplaces, antique wide plank pumpkin pine and heart pine flooring throughout, premium Bosch appliances, and quartz counters. This entire home is custom with marvelous built-ins forged with walnut on each floor. Imported hand-chiseled limestone slab floors, Klipsch integrated speaker system, multiple organized closets, 3 stunning bathrooms are finished with imported Italian marble, and heated floors in your primary bathroom. Exposed rafters in each of the bedrooms. Unlike any of its kind, there's also a primary suite for you to enjoy. This location and this masterpiece is one you don't want to miss. Contact me immediately to schedule a showing.